Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Travlin Prof, and in today's video for Russian word of the day, we are going to learn how to say salad in Russian.
Салат. Салат.
Now, is it actually like a t, or is it just like a at the end? Salat. So the word is salat. One thing we like to do as English speakers sometimes with final consonant sounds d and t is we like to change them into just a flip of the tongue. So we might say salad, and our tongue just kind of flips instead of salad. But that doesn't work in Russian. So make sure you really get that t at the end, but don't spit it out too hard. Salad. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Салат. Салат.